Yeah. Listen, when you're practicing, just relax and do what you know how to do. You know how to do it, right?
Yeah. I just saw brackets.
Oh. I just want you to be comfortable, okay? And maybe practice with your driver for a while. Hold on. What the? Listen, practice hitting it hard with your driver first, okay? You know, just do it how you always do it. You got it? Maybe, and if you need more balls, we'll get you more balls, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Because I had to practice a long time.
You don't do it with your glove?
What?
You don't practice it with your glove? When you go to the driving range, you and Daddy don't wear the glove?
Well, I don't. Well, I don't want to lose it here, actually.
Why? Put your head up. Why?
Because I just don't.
And that you need to use that T that's in the ground. That's what all the guys are using. Okay?